Hello, you're welcome. There's another question here that we want to have a look at. And the A part says that sketch the curve y is equal to x into bracket x minus 1, x minus 3. And they say find the area of the finite region bounded by the x-axis and the curve. So we are referring to the curve above. So in sketching a curve, there are procedures that we follow. So let me rewrite my question down. He said y is equal to x into bracket x minus 1, x minus 3. Now, if when y is equal to 0, so it means I'm having x, then x minus 1, x minus 3 is equal to 0. So this x is equal to this 0, so x is equal to 0, comma, x minus 1 is equal to 0. So you make x a subject, you're getting 1. X minus 3 is equal to 0. You make x a subject, you're getting 3. So it means the points are 0, 0, 1, 0, and then 3, 0. Now, when you let x is equal to 0, you realize that the whole thing becomes 0. If you put s is equal to 1, the whole thing becomes 0. If you put s is equal to 3, the whole thing becomes 0. So I've gotten my point now. So what I have to do is to now sketch my curve. So let me sketch it at this side. So my y-axis and then my s-axis. So I realize I have 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. Negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 1, negative 2. But the first point is out 0, 0 is here, 1, 0 is here, and then 3, 0 is here. So I will now sketch my curve. It's passing through this place. Down. So really this is just a sketch, so it might not be as a real one. So I will name this place to be A, this place to be B. Somebody may like to find the derivative by determining the turning point and then find the second derivative, determine the nature of the turning point. But in this case, I don't need it much like that. But if you want to follow that procedure too, you're free to do so. Then the next thing I will do is to find my area. So it means my first area, the limits are 1, 0, and then 3, 1. So what will I do? I need to first integrate my equation. So let me now expand the equation to make it easier for me. I'm having y is equal to x into bracket x minus 1, then x minus 3. So if you expand, you'll be getting something like this is equal to x power 3 minus 4x squared plus 3x. All right, so my work is now to integrate this. So if I integrate, then I'll find the area for A and I'll find the area for B. If I add the two, then that is the area of the finite region bounded by the x-axis and the curve. So I am having something like the integral sign. That is the integral. So let me start here. 1, 0. Then I have x power 3 minus 4x squared plus 3x dx. So in integrating this, I now have x, this is plus 1, will give you power 4 over 4. So integration, you add 1 to the power minus 4x, this is 2 plus 1, will give you 3 over 3. Plus this is power 1 plus 1 will give you 2. 3x power 2 over 2 plus c. So 1, 0. I will not worry myself to put 0 here. I want to make the work easier. So, if you put 0 here, everything becomes 0. So this becomes 1 power 4 divided by 4 minus 4 of 1 power 3 divided by 3 plus 3 of 1 power 2 divided by 2 plus c, then minus 0 plus c. So when I put 0, I'll be left with c. So 0 plus c. So when I expand this, I will now be having, so 1 power 4 give you 1 out of 4 minus 1 power 3 will give you 1 times 4 give you 4, then out of 3 plus 1 power 2 will give you 1 times 3, 3 out of 2, then plus c minus c. Then that one is going. So I need to solve this. So if you solve this by using your calculator, so I can use my calculator here. So 1 out of 4 minus 4 out of 3, then plus 3 out of 2. I'm having 5 out of 12 square units. All right. So that is for A. That is A. So it means A is equal to this. Now let me come to B. So I want to find for this one. So the limit will be 3, 1. But don't forget, already I have 1. I've gotten 1 here. So the whole of this one represents 1. Because if you take 0, it's the same 0. So I will not worry myself by finding the 1 again. But if you want to follow the procedure, we can do so. So we have, so far as I integrated already, I will not integrate again. I will just use it here. So I have 3, 1. Then in place of s, I'll put 3. So let me rewrite the equation. S power 4 over 4 minus 4 into bracket 1 power 3 out of 3. I am now writing this. So this is supposed to be x. This is x. I want to write the equation as so 4x power 3 over 3. Then plus 3x power 2 over 2. Then plus c. 3, 1. So now let me put the numbers in. So I have something like s is 3, so 3 power 4 over 4 minus 4. X is 3, 3 power 3 all over 3 plus s is 3, 3 power 3 power 2 here all over 2, then plus c. Minus, I need to put 1. And I solved 1 already. And the whole of the 1 is giving me this. So why will I worry myself by finding it again? Let me just put it there. It becomes, but if you want to follow the process, okay, let me put it. It becomes 1 power 4 over 4 minus 4 into bracket 1 out of 1 power 3 over 3 plus 3 bracket 1 power 2 over 2 plus c. So with calculator 3 power 4 is giving me 81. So it becomes 81 out of 4 minus 3 power 3 will give me 27. 27 times 4 is giving 108. 108 out of 3 plus 3 power 3 will give me 9. 9 times 3 will give you 27. 27 out of 2. This plus c, this negative will affect everything here to become minus, so I'll get rid of it. But don't forget, when I put 1 here, I had 5 out of 12. So that place I was just said the whole of this minus 5 out of 12. So I will not struggle. Let me use calculator. 81 out of 4 minus 108 out of 3 plus 27 out of 2. I'm having negative 9 over 4. So I have minus 9 out of 4. Don't forget, I need to subtract it from this one. Minus 5 out of 12. So I have now minus 4 out of 9 minus, then we have 5 out of 12. And I'm getting something like negative 31 over 36. So I have, this is equal to negative 31 out of 36. But don't forget, we are finding area and it can never be negative. So I'll take the absolute value, which is giving me 31 out of 36. So what I'll do next is to area. So let me conclude it here. You know, area, the total area give me the area A plus area B. Then area A, I had 5 out of 12 plus area B, I have 31 out of 36. I'll add the 2. So 5 out of 12, then plus 31 out of 36. I'm having 23 out of 18 square units. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you. Expect more on this channel.